To submit documents to Lyft for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your application is processed smoothly. Make sure you have all necessary documents ready before you begin. Step 1. Create or log into your Lyft account. Visit the Lyft website or open a Lyft app. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email address and phone number. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 2. Access the driver dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the driver dashboard. This is typically found in the menu or profile section of the app or website. Look for options related to becoming a driver or account verification. Step 3. Gather required documents. Prepare the necessary documents for submission. Commonly required documents include your driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance, and any other identification as specified by Lyft. Step 4. Upload your documents. In the driver dashboard, find the section for document submission. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Ensure each file is clear and legible, as blurry images may delay the approval process. Step 5. Confirm submission and wait for approval. After uploading, confirm that all documents have been submitted successfully. You will receive a notification or email from Lyft regarding the status of your account approval. Be patient, as this process may take some time. Once you have completed these steps, you will be on your way to getting your Lyft account approved. Make sure to check your email for updates and be ready to start driving.